Hi guys, we are here. It's D&M Toy Club with
my cousins and me.
Yes.
Marco.
Say hi, cousin. Jillian.
Hi.
And Camila. We are here with Marky Marks. Marky, so what are we gonna do today, dude?
We are going to do another Beyblade battle, our second video.
All right, let me get all set, and then we are gonna battle. You ready? 1, 2, 3. We got 3 of them. We got Marky's and Julian and Camila. Uh-oh. Who's left? Who's left?
Oh,
somebody bursted.
I win! Yes, Excalius wins!
All right, let's do it again. Let's do another one.
Okay,
do another battle. We're going to do the best out of 3. So Marco has 1.
Oh, and I have 5 more Beyblades in there.
All right. Oh, Camila's in the corner. It's Mark and Julian. Which one of you guys? You blue? Who's blue?
Me.
All right, Julian's blue. Marco. Julian won that one, guys. Sweet. All right, we're going to do our 3rd battle. So Marco has 1 win. Camila, you need to win this one. All right, hold on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Oh! Camila may actually win one. She's going to get one. She's purple, and Marco is the red one. Camila? Yeah. You did win one. Cool.
I'll go choose my Beyblade.
All right, guys, here we go. This is our next battle.
I got the X-ray on.
1, 2, 3, let it go.
I got the X-ray on.
All right.
Camila
is the purple one. The teal color is Julian. Oh, Camila's out. And is that Marco? Marco won that one.
Yes,
sweet.
with the egg drink. Ah, the one I got for Easter.
All right, let's do it again. Let's get all set for another battle. 2, go. Oh, someone fell right out of the ring. Who we got here? Is that Julian and Camila?
Yeah. No, Julian
Marco.
and me.
All right, Marco is the orange one, and Julian's got the blue. Look like he's slowing down. Slowing down. Oh, Marco got a good one. All right, let's do another battle. You guys gonna change them up? Mix them up?
Oh, we're going in.
Whoa. Who's the red one? That's Marco. He's slowing down.
Oh,
it's Julian and Camila. Who's gonna get this one? There's
one line there.
That one. What do you think about that one? Did you win? Who won? Julian or Camila? Camila got it. Camila, how do you feel about winning that one?
Oh, and he has his shirt inside out and it's backwards.
Yeah, he's Burger Boy, right? All right, let's go. Oh, who's that? Marco is out. Whoa, that was fast. Camila, did you win that one too?
Yeah. I don't know the name of this one, but I'm gonna use it.
Girls are winning. The girls are winning.
Girl power.
All right, let's go. Get it all together. Hold on. Wait for Marky's. Ready? Oh, Marco, watch out, dude.
Camila's done. No, because I didn't do it right.
Here we go. Let's let these battle. Last battle. Let's let them go.
You can't do it right now.
Oh, who? What? That's Julian. That it. Oh, who was that?
That was me. I bursted him.
Uh-oh. We still got a battle going on. Hold on.
Come on, Camila. Yes!
Oh, man.
I win!
All right, cool. Oh, who's winning this one? This is for it all. This is for the grand championship. Get him out of the way.
Oh!
Camila, watermelon won. Camila, how do you feel about that win?
Good!
Yeah, I feel good. All right.